lots of sessions and events running across campus throughout the year, and many of these you can drop into at a time that suits you, or even in between lectures if you have a little spare time. Drop-in events are a great way to spend some free time, and you can either attend with a friend or use them as an opportunity to meet someone new. Here's just a few examples of the things that are going on around campus that you can get involved in. In the Wellbeing team, we host a range of different drop-in events across the year, as well as popping up at other events across campus. Some of our events are for awareness days like University Mental Health Day. We also run drop-in sessions like Address Your Stress around assessment periods. Check out the Sway link below for all our upcoming events that we are running. We keep it updated every month so you can always see what's coming up and what you can get involved in. Do Something Different is an extracurricular programme delivered by UEA SU and UEA to enhance your time at university. Whether you want to try out a new activity, explore somewhere new, or take a break from your studies, there is a Do Something Different activity that will work for you. Do Something Different hosts a whole range of activities, including all kinds of crafting, dog walks, sports taster sessions, sightseeing and day trips, movie screenings, quizzes, and much more. Stay up to date with upcoming Do Something Different events and news by following them on social media at UEA DSD or check out the UEA SU website. The Learning Enhancement team also deliver a range of drop-in events such as Study Cafe or Study Together sessions. Study Cafe is a space that you can join in person or online that you can use to study alongside your peers, share study tips, or ask any study-related questions you might have to our tutors. They can help with planning, referencing, getting organised, reading effectively, exam preparation, and much more too. Study Cafe is held in the CIS Annex and on Blackboard Wednesday afternoons from 2 till 4 p.m. You can also join in Study Together sessions. The sessions run every Thursday from the CIS Annex. You can share study tips with other students or ask our tutors questions, and the Widening Participation Officer for mature students is also available to offer support. To find out more about the Learning Enhancement team's drop-in sessions, you can follow them on social media at UEA Learn or check out the link below. The Student Information Zone also hosts a wide range of other drop-in events throughout the year, including their daily themed drop-ins. On Monday, their theme is Money Matters. On Tuesday, it's all about life admin. Wednesdays is Study Focus. Thursdays is Connecting. And Friday is all about Global. To find out what else they have going on in the CIS, you can find them on social media at uea.cis or check out their page on the My UEA portal linked below. There's always lots of drop-in events around UEA that you can get involved in, so keep your eye out and see what takes your fancy. Thanks for watching, see you soon.